Doctor, so if you're interested in building a real estate portfolio, then infinite banking may give you another way to create and to access your capital. So the strategy uses a properly designed cash value whole life insurance policy. And as you fund that policy and overfund it, cash value builds that can then be used as collateral for loans from the insurance company. So imagine finding a rental property, a medical office, a short-term rental, that requires a down payment. Instead of selling investments or pulling money out of your bank and relying on a traditional bank financing, you might be able to borrow against your policy's cash value and use those funds towards the purchase. So the property can then produce rental income. You can use some of that cash flow to repay the policy loan, replenishing your available capital in your policy for a future opportunity. And over time, the same pool of capital could potentially help you purchase multiple properties, fund renovations, cover unexpected repairs, or just bridge the gap until you want to put permanent financing in place. You probably won't want to do that. Now, you could also maintain the life insurance protection and the policy continues operating in accordance with its contract. So policy loans charge interest. They must be managed carefully, but for doctors with strong, consistent cash flow and good savers, a long-term real estate strategy in mind, infinite banking can provide that liquidity, that flexibility, and greater control over how your capital is accessed. So the goal isn't simply to buy life insurance, it's to build a financial system that can support both your family and your future real estate opportunities. If you want to figure out if infinite banking is right for you and your family, grab a spot on the calendar. Let's dig deep into what it is, how the policies are structured, and if it works for you.